Fact or cap? Do you believe in magic? Well, today we're going to show you a couple of videos and we're going to see if it is a fact or cap. I am Captain Maxwell and this is the first video.
The floating balloon experiment involves a chemical reaction to generate hydrogen gas. First, crumple aluminum foil and place it in a bottle. Add drain cleaner containing sodium hydroxide. Quickly cover the bottle with a balloon, sealing it. The sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminum, producing hydrogen gas which then inflates the balloon due to the gas upward force. However, our balloon did not float, and it might be due to insufficient aluminum. The quantity or surface area of the aluminum foil might have been inadequate for a significant hydrogen gas generation to lift the balloon.
Wow, that was a cool video! And based on the experiment that we have conducted, we can conclude that it is a fact.
The density experiment compares how substances with different densities behave. Honey is the densest, then water, then oil. When combined in a container, they form layers based on density, with honey at the bottom, then water, and oil on top. Dropping a coin in the water indicates that it's denser than water but less dense than honey. A bottle cup floats above the oil, showing it's less dense than water but denser than oil.
It was an amazing video. We saw in the experiment that it is a fact.
A lava lamp works through a density and chemical reaction principle. Oil and water, being different in density, separate. Baking soda, a base, reacts with vinegar, which is an acid, forming carbon dioxide bubbles that rise through the oil. As the bubbles burst at the top, the colored water droplets sink back due to their higher density, creating the mesmerizing lava lamp effect.
Woo! That was Maxwell done! And we given the results from our experiment, we can say that it is a fact.
Ta-da! Have you ever wondered how it's like to defy the laws of gravity? Or have you ever dreamed of having telekinesis to control an object? Well, hello there, I'm Kapitan Zach, and in this experiment, we will show you how. We all know that bubbles can float in air. But do you know how to make it levitate? Well, we will show you how. Firstly, we need 3 main ingredients: baking soda, vinegar, and a large container. What we'll do is to pour the baking soda onto the container. Next, we will add the vinegar. Then, we'll blow the bubbles into that container.
The floating bubbles experiment demonstrates gas' ability to displace liquids. When you blow a bubble into this mixture, the gas inside the bubble is less dense than the surrounding liquid. The bubble floats because it's essentially a bucket of carbon dioxide surrounded by a denser liquid. This experiment showcases the principle of buoyancy, where objects with a lower density than their surroundings float or rise.
Oh my! That was fantastic! Due to the results of the experiment, we came to the conclusion that the video is in fact a fact!